Guys, welcome to Two Stroke Running Repairs. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Stihl professional helmet. I think this is their Australian edition because I haven't found videos of it from anywhere else in the world. There really isn't any YouTube videos on this model helmet, so I'm going to make one. So this is the Stihl in Australia, their professional helmet. Then you can go up to their arborist helmet, but this one is the normal one. This neck flap doesn't come standard with it. That's something I've just velcroed on, so keep that in mind. But this helmet has more features than their homeowner grade helmet. It has ratcheting back adjustment. It has the fleece lined headband. You've got the same visor, and you've then got higher rated earmuffs. I think these are about 30 decibel noise reduction rated. So I'll bring you in and show you this. So that's the helmet. You've got the earmuffs. They roll down and up, and then once they're down, they snap into place, and you can of course adjust them in and out. And I haven't really worked out the best way to store them yet, because if you store them back here and clipped in, yes, they sit out of the way and there's no actual tension on the spring in here, but you're squishing in on your cushioning on the inside of the earmuff, and it's kind of a pain to store the helmet with them sitting down like that. I've had this helmet for probably 6 months now, and I've probably only used it a dozen times, and already there's a few bits starting to fall apart on it. And so you've got the visor here at the front. It again just flicks up and down, and that's thrown in. But in the visor actually here, the visor is starting to come away from the edging, the mesh. You can see it right there. The mesh is starting to split away from the edging, and it's doing a similar thing, but not quite so badly there. Also, the mesh on the visor just being metal and being put in my bag, and my bag gets chucked in the work truck, it gets quite bent. So yeah, I know a mate of mine, he has this same helmet, and actually right along the edges the mesh has separated, so the visor on this isn't very good quality. I'm still yet to actually investigate the warranty on it. I should do that. And then also this cushiony bit here up the top where I've got it duct taped over, the actual vinyl-y cushion bit where it's obviously joined together has split. So this side where it's split, you don't get as good of a seal of the earmuff around your ear, because you've got that big air hole that's stopping the pressure around it doing its job. But other than that, it's a good helmet. Just chuck this on and show you how it looks. So it's quite a comfortable helmet to wear. I don't find it gets annoying. I've also got a GoPro mount on the top there, so I can make some of the great videos you guys see. Well, I think they're great, but